Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can disable startup apps so that we can start our computer faster and use it faster. So press your Windows key and just type startup. Now you will see this option here, startup apps. Just click on it and you will be able to see startup apps. But if you don't see startup when you type startup, what you can do is just press Windows key and click on settings. Go to apps, and from here just click on startup, this bottom one, and here you'll see all the apps that are started automatically when you open up your computer. So it might be making your computer slow, but in my case, as you can see, I just have the important ones, that is this printer and mobile devices and so on. So in your case, what you can do is you can just disable everything that you don't need. So this Realtek is for audio, so I have this enabled. And so for example, if WhatsApp is enabled, you can just click on this and turn it off. And you can turn off other things also that you don't need when the computer is automatically started. So after you have turned off everything, just close this, and when you restart your computer, none of those apps will be started automatically. So this is how you can disable startup apps in Windows. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below.